Let's create a wavy halftone in Illustrator. Press N to select the pencil tool and create a wavy line. Now add a black stroke. Now create a new wavy stroke. Select both the lines and go to the stroke panel from the Windows menu. Open the stroke options and check on the dash line option. On the dash first input field insert a value of 0 points and on the gap input field insert 4 points. Increase the weight of the stroke as shown and click on the rounded cap options. On the gap input field modify the gap points to 20 points. Select the bottom wavy line and decrease the weight. Select both the dotted wavy lines and go to the object, then blend and make to blend both the lines. Selecting the lines again, go to object, then blend and blend option to add more lines. Now your wavy halftone is ready. Modify it to your desired result. Like the video if you learned something new.